I know that you don't give much weightage to the volumes, but the daily volumes are shrinking with the up move, almost 40% below average, especially yesterday's volumes are very poor. Yeah, they might be, but again, see, I'm not saying that volumes are not correct or they are bad or anything, but I want to find out what the market is doing with least amount of information or inputs. I don't use volume because I can get the same information from this particular chart. One look at the chart and I know. I don't have to calculate the volume whether it is low or higher. I don't have to do anything. I just have to look at what is happening. Okay, A period open, went out of yesterday's range within the initial balance. Great, IBRX is there. What is happening subsequently? C and D period are not doing a good job of extending the range. They are trading inside of the B period or inside IB. This is poor trade facilitation. I know that markets are not doing a very good job, but do I have a clear idea whether it is going to continue or not? Even with volumes, I am not really sure, because volumes can come in anytime. So far the volumes are low does not mean that they are going to be low going forward. You can see increase in volumes anytime, and if the volume drops in, markets will move. Same is the story here, but now I go to one time frame lower, I go to intraday time frame, I see what is happening here. Okay, we extended range above, pullback, VWAP is supported, some no supply. As we come lower towards VWAP, volume is dropping, that is good. And now we are seeing, okay, it is struggling a bit, let us see what happens. In case I am an intraday trader, what can I do? I should have bought here. I just told you a few candles earlier that you should buy here. And now let's say I had a stop loss here. Now I can put my stop loss at cost and forget about the position. I don't have to worry about it now. If it just dilly-dallies here and then again picks up the pace, fine. At some point volume will come in, it will push the markets higher. No, it comes down, it hits my stop loss, fine. Market does not want to go anywhere. Why should I stay in the position? I'll get out. If I can take prudent trading decisions based on the information I have, why do I need to incorporate one more variable? Because what will happen, I'll tell you. Most of the times we are trying to find correlations between different parameters. The more number of parameters that we look at, the more permutation combinations can be formed, and the more permutations there are, the things start getting very, very complex very, very soon. That I experienced firsthand, and that is why I decided, okay, I want to have some peace of mind and I don't want to complicate things beyond what is necessary. So I started reducing things which are not necessary. Earlier I used to have a volume panel below, now I don't. Earlier I used to look at OI, no I don't. VIX for that matter, participant data for that matter, indicators for that matter. Nothing is adding anything new to my analysis. I am not looking at that. So same is the case with volume.